Today, we review the best 5 wireless meat thermometers that you can choose the right one for your purpose. After spending 2 weeks of research and consumer survey, we compiled this list.
Number 1.
ThermoPro TP20 Wireless Meat Thermometer. The battery-operated ThermoPro TP20 Wireless Meat Thermometer is a dual-probe thermometer, which means you can use it to monitor 2 different meats at the same time, or just one meat and the temperature of your oven, smoker or grill. Its mobile receiver has a range of up to 300 feet, which allows you to monitor your cooking without having to stay in the kitchen or yard.
Number 2.
TP08S Dual Probe Thermometer. The TP08S Dual Probe Thermometer allows you to not just monitor the temperature of your meat, but also that of the grill, smoker, oven, or even just 2 meats cooking at the same time. The transmitter can be hooked onto your oven door or stood up, and the receiver also has its own built-in stand.
Number 3.
Maverick ET-733 Remote Smoker Thermometer. The Maverick ET-733 Remote Smoker Thermometer is designed to allow you to not just monitor the temperature of your meat, but also the temp of your grill or smoker. It is also suitable for use in the oven or on the hob, but the shape of the probe may be a little more awkward as it is designed as a smoker thermometer.
Number 4.
iDevices iGrill 2 Bluetooth Thermometer. With a Bluetooth range of 150 feet and a 200-hour battery life, the iDevices iGrill 2 Bluetooth Thermometer is designed for easy monitoring of the grill. The iGrill 2 contains 2 food-grade stainless steel probes, but you have the option to purchase up to 2 additional probes. All 4 can be used for multi-cooking and controlled via the iDevices connected app.
Number 5.
Maverick ET-733 Meat Thermometer Set. The 3rd generation Maverick ET-733 has been updated with new features and a larger easy-read display. With a belt clip or built-in stand, the receiver allows wireless real-time monitoring of up to a 300 feet range of 2 temperatures, whether meat and grill, 2 meats, or even 2 grills or ovens.